In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Introducing the Progear 555LXT magnetic tension recumbent bike with workout goal-setting computer. Uniquely compact to excel in tight spaces, the Progear 555LXT recumbent bike delivers a great workout and great results from its space-saving frame. As strong as it is slim due to its durable steel construction, the 555LXT has a 250-pound weight capacity and accommodates users up to 6 foot 3 inches in height. To ensure effective and comfortable workouts, the 555LXT features oversized pedals with secure foot straps, soft grip handlebars for pushing through intense exercises, adjustable floor stabilizers to prevent rocking and tipping. Also included is a step-through design for easy mounting and dismounting, and an extended cushioned seat for all user sizes with backrest and lower back support that can infinitely slide to lock in the perfect seat position. The 555LXT has a widescreen LCD panel that prominently displays current speed, distance cycle, calories burned, RPM, time elapsed, and odometer. Users can select up to 14 levels of magnetic tension resistance and set 3 workout goals for distance, time, and calories burned. And finally, to complement its sleek dimensions that make it excellent for home use, the 555LXT features a quiet drive belt system for quiet, undisruptive workout sessions. It also includes a built-in smartphone or tablet holder, a conveniently placed water bottle holder that's always within arm's reach, and transportation wheels for easy relocation. Backed with a 1-year warranty. The Progear 555LXT magnetic tension recumbent bike is the ideal exercise bike for fitness enthusiasts with limited space, but have expectations of a great workout. This recumbent bike will not disappoint.
Why we recommend this product.